Drive your horse.
Good. Go on. Go on. Okay. The back tall. That's better. Land and leg. Okay, but you're kind of too. That's just how it rides. It doesn't walk that way, but that's how it rides for all of us. You have to make that adjustment. So not too fast here. Now gallop. There you go. Good job. Not too much trot because the floor rides short. Now leg. Hey, good